One wrong cut can change everything. Are you wearing the right chainsaw helmet? In this video, we're breaking down the best chainsaw helmets to keep you protected, comfortable, and focused while you work. From face shields to ear protection, we've got you covered. Check the link in the description below for the best deals and full specs. Let's dive in. You know that moment when a wood chip flies straight at your face and you instantly regret skipping safety gear? That's exactly where the NOCRY 6-in-1 industrial chainsaw helmet steps in and saves the day. This helmet feels like someone finally listened to real chainsaw users. You've got a solid hard hat, metal mesh visor, clear face shield, and ear protection all working together instead of fighting for space on your head. It sits comfortably even with glasses on, which is a small detail that matters way more than you'd think during long cutting sessions. The earmuffs noticeably cut engine noise, making the whole job less stressful. Price-wise, it usually lands in the mid-range for full forestry kits, which feels fair considering how much is included. Build quality is generally solid, though some parts feel lighter than expected. That's not a deal breaker, but you'll notice it if you're rough with gear. In real use, it shines during chainsaw work, weed whacking, and firewood prep. Ventilation is decent, adjustments are simple, and switching between visors is quick. It's not indestructible, but it's practical, comfortable, and protective where it counts. And honestly, that's what most people actually need. Ever put on safety gear and instantly feel like you're wearing a bucket? That's not the case with the Oregon Tool Chainsaw Safety Protective Helmet. This one feels lighter than expected the moment it's on your head. The ventilation holes actually do something, especially on hot days, and the dial style adjustment makes fitting fast instead of frustrating. Flip the mesh visor down, drop the earmuffs, and you're ready to cut without fiddling around. The price usually sits comfortably below premium forestry helmets, which explains why so many people see it as a value buy. The hearing protection does its job well, cutting harsh chainsaw noise without making everything feel muted and weird. Visibility through the stainless steel mesh stays clear even when sawdust is flying. Now, honesty time, assembly can be annoying. The instructions aren't winning any awards, and some parts feel lighter than you'd expect from a professional brand. Still, once it's together, it holds up surprisingly well. For casual firewood cutting, property maintenance, or weekend chainsaw work, this helmet feels practical and easy to live with. It's not overbuilt, not overcomplicated, and it does what safety gear should do, protect you without getting in the way. There's always that one piece of gear that looks simple, but ends up doing more than you expected. That's the vibe with the Green Devil 3-in-1 Forestry Safety Helmet. Right away, it feels purpose-built for outdoor work. The ABS shell feels tough, the mesh visor gives solid visibility, and the earmuffs cut down engine noise enough to save your ears over long sessions. The 6-point suspension spreads weight nicely, so it doesn't feel like it's pressing on one spot all day. This helmet usually falls into the affordable to mid-price range, making it attractive if you want protection without spending premium money. Comfort is surprisingly good, especially with the sweatband doing real work instead of just existing. The high-vis orange also helps when you're working in low light or wooded areas. That said, the visor mechanism can be hit or miss. Some setups hold perfectly, others feel a little loose after repeated flipping. It's not a failure, just something you notice over time. For chainsaw work, brush clearing, and general forestry tasks, this helmet feels dependable. It's not flashy, but it's functional, adjustable, and gets the job done, which is honestly what most people care about when the saw is running. If you've ever wished your helmet handled face protection without forcing you to choose between comfort and visibility, you'll get this one. The Green Devil Chainsaw Safety Helmet feels like a more refined take on the classic forestry setup. What stands out immediately is the dual-layer face protection. The clear visor and metal mesh work together instead of competing, giving flexibility depending on the task. The helmet liner does a great job managing sweat, especially during longer cutting sessions, and the ventilation actually helps instead of just looking good on paper. This model usually sits slightly higher in price than basic kits, but you can feel where the money goes. Adjustments are smooth, the fit stays secure, and the earmuffs reduce noise without clamping your head too tightly. There are a few trade-offs. The helmet feels solid, but not tank-like, and some parts need careful handling to avoid unnecessary wear. Still, once it's dialed in, it stays comfortable for hours. In real-world use, logging, trimming, or heavy yard work, it feels balanced and confidence-boosting. You're not constantly adjusting or second-guessing your protection, and that peace of mind is worth a lot when tools start spinning. You know gear is serious when it comes with its own carry bag and liner. That's exactly the case with the ULTRAMAXX 6-in-1 chainsaw helmet. This helmet feels thoughtfully put together. The suspension system keeps it stable, the ratchet adjustment locks in quickly, and the sweat-wicking liner actually keeps your head cooler instead of just absorbing moisture. Noise reduction is impressive, especially if you're used to basic earmuffs. Price-wise, it usually lands in the mid to upper range for forestry helmets, but you're clearly paying for the extras. Goggles, mesh visor, liner, and bag all come included, which saves you from buying accessories later. The helmet isn't ultralight, but the weight is well balanced. Some people expect tank-level toughness and find it slightly lighter than imagined, though that also helps with comfort during long jobs. In everyday use, tree work, yard clearing, or chainsawing firewood, it feels secure and professional. It's the kind of helmet that makes you feel properly geared up, not just protected, and that confidence really shows when the job gets tough. Sometimes you just want flexibility without paying a premium price. That's where the TOOLIOM chainsaw helmet comes into play. This helmet is all about options: mesh visor, clear shield, goggles, earmuffs. You can mix and match depending on the task. The ratchet adjustment makes fitting quick, and the suspension does a decent job absorbing impact and pressure. It usually sits in the budget-friendly price range, which explains why it's popular with homeowners and occasional chainsaw users. The mesh screen does a great job keeping sawdust out of your eyes, and the ear protection is acceptable for lighter work. Now let's be real, durability is mixed. Some parts feel less robust, and if you're rough with gear, it may not age gracefully. Assembly can also test your patience if you're not used to PPE kits. That said, for mowing, trimming, and moderate chainsaw use, it works. It's not built for daily professional abuse, but for weekend projects and property maintenance, it delivers solid protection without draining your wallet. There's something reassuring about gear that feels engineered for long days, not quick demos. That's exactly the impression you get from the RAXWELL chainsaw safety helmet. This helmet feels premium right away. The HDPE shell is tough, the ratchet fit locks in securely, and the suspension stays comfortable even after hours of work. The interchangeable visors are genuinely useful. Mesh for airflow during cutting, clear for dust and splash protection. Pricing usually leans toward the higher side, but it earns it through comfort and completeness. The earmuffs noticeably reduce noise, and the anti-fog goggles are a blessing when temperatures rise. It's not featherlight, but the balance is excellent. Some might find it more robust than necessary for casual work, but professionals will appreciate that solid feel. In real-world use, logging, landscaping, or heavy outdoor work, it feels dependable. You're not thinking about your helmet while working, and honestly, that's the best compliment safety gear can get. That's our list of the best chainsaw helmets to keep you safe on every cut. Check the links in the description below, choose your best fit, and work smarter, safer, every time.